Friends, today I am going to make Kadhi Pakora, Arabic Pakora with Kadhi. Ingredient: I have some Colocasia or Arabi or chamber with peel it and boil well. A cup of curd, some chickpea flour, an onion, red chilli and green chillies, some curry leaves, black peppercorns, mustard seeds, cumin seed and fenugreek seed, some coriander seed slightly roasted, ginger garlic finely chopped, turmeric powder, red chilli powder and coriander powder. Colocasia, boil and peel. Smash the boiled Colocasia well. Smashed well. Add some salt, chickpea flour, fine chopped ginger garlic, some coriander seeds, chopped green chillies, some coriander leaves, little bit of red chilli, little bit of turmeric, some curd, some curry leaves, mix together. The mixture is ready. Now take another bowl, add curd in it, chickpea flour, mix together. Mix well without any lumps. Add 3 more cups of water. The same cup the consistency is okay. Heat the kadai or pan, add oil. The oil is heat now. Add your pakoras in it. Fry this in a medium heat. The pakoras are ready. Remove from the fire and keep it aside. Add fenugreek seed. I am using the same kadai. I reduce the oil. Now cumin seed and mustard seed. Little cracker, red chilli, onion, some black peppercorns, chopped green chilli, coriander seeds, ginger garlic, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, some salt. Now add the mix. One more cup water. Curry leaves. Let it boil well. It boiled well. Stir it continuously. Cook it in a medium-low flame. Cook it for 15 minutes. Stir it continuously. Now add your pakoras. Now it's ready. Removed from the fire. Yes, it's ready to serve. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for next videos. Thank you.